Today, I've got something special for you. A while back, I made a post asking, got an idea for the next RC video, May edition? And subscriber Drive-By Gaming came through with this awesome suggestion. So in today's video, we're diving into the top 5 cheap mini RC crawlers with 2-speed and diff locks, under 110. Must see 2026. After doing deep research across multiple websites and sources, I've put together a list of options tailored to different types of buyers. Whether you care most about price, performance, or specific features, there's something here for you. Just a quick note. This isn't a full in-depth review, but rather a product showcase to help you make a better buying decision. If you want more details on any of the models, you'll find all the links in the description below. And of course, if you enjoy the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. I'll be posting again soon for the June edition. So if you want your name featured in the next video, drop your suggestion in the comments. Number 5. If you're looking for an affordable mini RC crawler that delivers serious performance, the Absolma CR1 8P Evo V 2 Convoy 1/18th RTR is a standout choice. One of its biggest highlights is the 2-speed transmission, allowing you to switch seamlessly between slow, precise crawling and faster trail driving. This makes it incredibly versatile for both technical obstacles and casual outdoor runs. Durability is another major advantage. It features all-metal sintered gears built to handle demanding conditions, combined with a 3-link suspension, high-torque motor, and soft all-terrain tires that provide excellent grip on rocks, climbs, and uneven terrain. It's also very beginner-friendly. The 2.4 GHz radio system ensures smooth interference-free control, while the included 600 mAh LiPo battery offers solid runtime with quick charging. In terms of design, the Convoy body, LED lights, and realistic details give it a premium scale look usually seen in larger crawlers. Overall, it's a compact, capable, and upgrade-ready mini crawler, perfect for anyone who wants strong performance and versatility without spending too much. Number 4. If you're just getting started in the RC crawler world and don't want to spend much, the JJRCC 880 1/118th Rock Crawler is one of the best ultra-budget options you can find. This model stands out for its extremely affordable price, making it perfect for beginners or anyone looking for casual fun without a big investment. Despite the low cost, it still delivers a solid experience with decent runtime and reliable basic performance. It comes equipped with a high-torque brushed motor and a 20-amp waterproof ESC, giving it enough power to handle small climbs and light off-road terrain. The setup is simple, but effective for entry-level crawling and everyday use. The design also helps with stability and capability. With increased ground clearance, wider axles, and larger tires, it handles uneven surfaces better than expected for its price range, offering improved balance and control. A fun extra feature is the simulated lighting system, including controllable spotlights via a 3rd channel, adding a more realistic driving experience. You also get a control range of up to 100 meters, which is great for extended outdoor play, plus everything included in the box: the car, built-in battery, remote controller, USB charger, and manual. To be clear, this isn't a high-end crawler with advanced drivetrain features, but for under €70, it's hard to beat. It's a simple, fun, and accessible way to enter the RC hobby. Number 3. If you want a budget-friendly mini crawler with serious climbing capability, the Absolma 1/18 Micro Crawler Power Wagon RTR is a very smart choice. What really sets this model apart is its fully locked front and rear differentials. This means maximum traction at all times, making it ideal for tackling rocks, steep climbs, and technical terrain without losing grip. Even without selectable diff locks, this setup delivers exactly what crawling enthusiasts need most: control and stability. It also features a high-torque gearbox with a 104:1 reduction ratio, paired with a 55T brushed motor. This combination provides smooth, controlled power delivery, perfect for slow and precise maneuvers over obstacles. The metal chassis frame and telescopic driveshaft add durability, while the drag brake system prevents the crawler from rolling back on hills, giving you more confidence on steep inclines. Thanks to the digital proportional control and 2.4 GHz radio system, you get responsive and accurate handling, even in tight spaces. In terms of design, it doesn't disappoint. You get a detailed scale body, LED lighting, beadlock rims, and super soft mud terrain tires that enhance both realism and performance. With up to 60 minutes of runtime and waterproof electronics, it's ready for both indoor crawling and outdoor adventures. Overall, this is one of the best affordable 1-18 crawlers with locked differentials, perfect for beginners who want real crawling performance or hobbyists looking for a capable micro rig without spending too much. Number 2. Looking for a budget mini crawler that truly feels like a scaled down 1-10 rig? The Redcat Ascent. 18 International Scout 2 is one of the best options you can get right now. It stands out thanks to its brushless 3,450 kV motor, delivering strong torque and smooth, efficient performance. Whether you're climbing rocks or navigating tight obstacles, it gives you the control and power you'd expect from a much larger crawler. The build quality is also a big highlight. With a durable aluminum chassis, metal portal gears, and oil-filled shocks, it offers a realistic suspension feel and long-lasting reliability, even on rough terrain. Driving precision is excellent too. The 2.4 GHz 3-channel radio system allows fine adjustments like steering trims and dual rates, giving you better control in technical situations. On top of that, the detailed International Scout 2 body, LED lights, and tilt-forward design add both realism and easy maintenance access. It comes fully ready to run with a LiPo battery and charger included, so you can get started right away. Overall, it's the perfect choice if you want real crawler performance and realism without paying the price of a full-size 1-10 model. Number 1. If you want the best all-around mini crawler with serious capability, the Intergy FCX24 Unimog 421 RTR stands at the top of the list. What makes this model truly special is its real 2-speed transmission, something extremely rare in this scale. You can switch between slow, precise crawling and higher speed trail driving, giving you full control in any situation. It also features portal axles, which significantly improve ground clearance and stability. This means better performance over rocks, obstacles, and uneven terrain, making it one of the most capable micro crawlers available. Another big advantage is the massive modding ecosystem. The FCX24 platform is hugely popular, so there are plenty of upgrade parts available, allowing you to customize and improve your crawler over time. The driving experience is smooth, realistic, and highly capable, making it perfect for both beginners who want something high quality and enthusiasts looking for a serious mini rig. In short, this is the benchmark for micro crawlers. A true 2-speed legend that combines performance, versatility, and upgrade potential in one compact package. I hope this video has been helpful and has clarified some of your doubts. To get more information about the products, or to find out which one fits your budget, just click on the links in the descriptions. I don't mention the prices of the products because when you're watching the video, the prices may not match, as they vary depending on the time of year and can also go on sale. See you in the next video.